Ay,
Oh no.
not on the grass. Catch it, catch it. Are you following it?
Yeah.
Oh! Catch it, catch it. Chase it, Markslin. Chase the car! Okay, boy. Okay, all yours, Markslin. It's all yours. Markslin, oh. Okay, Markslin. 1, 2, cheese! Wow! A Bugatti, Mommy Rhea!
Yeah.
A Bugatti RC! Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport! And how do you pronounce this? Vitesse? 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 Whatever. Okay, Bugatti Veyron. And I like the colors, Mommy. White and blue. Nice, huh? Are we going to unbox this?
Yeah.
Right now? As in right now?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Nice. Bugatti. Go, Mommy Rhea.
Okay.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Yeah. Nice looking RC car. A Bugatti. And there's the controller. It's a full function RC, right? Yeah. Full function RC, Mommy. And don't forget the antenna. Wow, Mommy. Nice details. Yeah. This is a nice looking toy. It looks so real. Right? I like the details of this car. Of this RC toy. Nice. Okay, Mommy Rhea, ready?
Ready?
Okay, drive it.
Okay.
Put it on the ground. Woo! Not bad, hey? Hey! It's not an off-road car. It's an on-road car, not off-road. Yeah, it's fast. It's fast, yeah. Mommy, drive it properly. Silly girl. Right, Markslin? Such a bad driver. Can I try? Okay, hold the camera for me. Nice, Markslin.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Mommy, drive it. Okay, go on, boy. Nice. Good job.
One more
Forward, boy. Good job, boy. Yeah. Nice one, Marksland. Wee! Reverse, hey? In reverse. You're doing good, Marksland.
Go forward. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Going in circles. Nice one, Marksland.
Forward.
Oh! Nice one, Marksland. He's having fun. Marksland is having fun. Go, boy. You see, Mommy? The headlights do light up. The back of the car.
Hey.
Yep. The taillights do light up. Awesome, huh? It lights up, Mommy. Yeah, Marcy.
Oopsie, my friend.
We need a bigger space, Mommy.
Yeah.
We need to go outside. Nice, eh, Marksland? Forward, boy. Yeah. Come on. Go on. He's having fun. Yeah. Mommy wants to drive it. Can Mommy try, Marksland? Can she try? No? Yeah. Oh! Careful. Yeah. Go, boy. Nice looking car, hey? The bottom part, mommy. And that's where you put the batteries.
Yeah.
The back of the car.
Okay.
Okay, Bugatti Vitesse or Vitesse, however you pronounce it. The front of the car. Yeah. Mommy,
Yes.
5 AA batteries and one 9-volt battery for the controller. There you go, thank you. Yeah, Thomas. Oh, oh no, Mr. Egg. He got cut in half. You wanna open it? Go, mommy, open the case for him. Take and play trains! Yay! Okay, go on, boy. Play those trains. What's that? What is that, mommy? Huh? Put it on the floor. Cute! Yeah. Okay, mommy, put the batteries. Take and play trains. And an RC car, Bugatti. Yeah, happy toddler. Yeah, the controller. Okay. Here, boy. No? Okay. Yeah, beep beep. Beep beep. Nice, eh? Nice looking car, hey?
Hi, Marcel.
Beep beep. Oh, don't hit the trains. Markslen. Beep beep. Beep beep Bugatti. Beep beep Bugatti. Bugatti Grand Sport. Okay, I'm going to drive it, mommy. Hold the camera, please. Ready, Markslen?
Right? Oh, no?
No, no.
Why?
He's scared of it.
Oh, yeah.
What, boy? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hennessy Venom GT. Nice, eh? A hypercar. Nice. Nice one, boy. That's Porter. That's Diesel. Nice. This yellow train is Steven. Steven the Rocket. That's Thomas. Where is Percy? Where is Percy? No, that's Porter. The green small engine is Percy. This one is Percy, Markslen. Percy. Stanley. Billy. Thomas. Hero. Scruff. Yay! Hero, the Japanese engine, the Japanese train. From Japan. Scruff. Nice. Choo-choo. Choo-choo trains. Yeah. Nice one, Markslen. Choo-choo. Nice. Ow. Choo-choo. Nice one, Markslen, oh. Okay, ready to go. Beep 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 beep. Oh, diesel fell off the car. There is diesel. Yeah. Beep beep. Beep beep and choo choo. Overloaded, Markslen. The car is overloaded with trains. Funny. Beep beep. Beep beep. More trains? Oh. Okay. I'm going to start up the engine.